So today we're going to be looking at some Khan Academy practice for data inferences foundations for the SATs. So let's start with this video. Let's get this video started, sorry. So in a random sample survey of employees, 4/5 of the survey respondents are in favor of stocking healthier snacks in the break room. All right, 4/5. Okay, and we're told that if the employees surveyed are representative of all 240 employees, how many employees are in favor of stocking healthier snacks in the break room? So there's a simple formula that we know that we can rely on for problems like this, and that is that estimate equals sample, sorry, let me make this text box a little wider, sample proportion times the total population. All right, proportion. All right, so let's look at that right here. So our sample proportion is 4/5, right? And we're gonna go ahead and multiply that by 240. So on the SATs, you have a Desmos calculator. It's really convenient for you. So we can just go ahead and type this in here. If you're quick with mental math, you don't need this, but I personally am not. So we know that's our answer. All right. Now, Nate predicted that voter turnout for the next citywide election will be 23%, with a margin error of 3%. Okay? Which of the following represents the plausible range of voter turnout based on Nate's prediction and margin error? Prediction and margin of error. So this is what Nate's prediction is, 23%, and margin of error is 3%. So margin of error is basically saying that it can be 3% more than the prediction or 3% less than, so plus or minus. So that means what is 3% more than 23 is 26, and 3% less than 23 is 20. So it should be between 20 and 26. Okay. Genovia is a city-state with approximately 50,000 citizens. In a recent newspaper poll of the citizens of Genovia, 3/4 of the poll respondents were in favor of establishing a democratic government. If the citizens polled are representative of all citizens of Genovia, approximately how many citizens are in favor of establishing a democratic government? So we're going to go back to our trusty formula, which is estimate equals sample proportion times population. So this is our sample proportion, and this is our entire population. So 3/4 of 50,000 is what we're looking at right here. Yeah, so that's going to be 37500. So luckily we see that as one of our options. All right. According to a 2018 Gallup poll of adults around the world, 15% of respondents said that they would like to move permanently to another country if they had the opportunity. If the poll results are representative of approximately 5 billion adults in the world, how many adults worldwide would like to move permanently to another city if they had the opportunity? Okay. So again, our formula is back at it. 15%. So what is 15% as a number? You just want to take this decimal point and move it up to here. So that's 0.15 times 5 billion. And how many zeros are in a million? 6 zeros. So how many zeros are in a billion? In a billion, that would be 9 zeros, because you have a million, you have 10 million, and then you have 100 million, and then you have a billion. So that, yeah, okay, that is 9 zeros. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that in a calculator. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and our answer is 750 million. 750 So guys, hope that helps with anybody who is struggling with this section. Let me know if that was helpful. Thanks for watching.